Magi and magnet. Magi, magnet, iron. That the people of India were so wise that to say in the Ramraj there was no use of metal and there was no Magi like Shudranis, culprit criminals. So magnet, Magi, iron, Magat. Those were not indulged to be brought in contact or in humanity life to be inspired to be utilized or to come into contact those magis, magnets, criminals. They suddenly in India in the midnight 10 to 12 time when the temperature in the winter supposed to be cool down, they're gradually increasing by the putting magnetic field. The magnetic field what I have put it in my different Facebook pages. In Modi, Mamata, Sarewahita, Ravinji, China cleaning, Mukteshwar Maharajji's Rajkotana Religious Institute, and Rabindranath Ray 948494. Like Facebook, then Twitter, YouTube, everywhere I have mentioned that how peoples in Indian earth surface as being heavy magnetic field being kept in Mexico Gulf, deep sea inner, where people who are putting and remaining on those stages of magnetic field due to the heavy dense dielectric seawater media, they are not so affected, but those people who are in the dry land region or iron concrete made on twisting, shearing, rotating of those field and interweaving in wrong manner, uttering of the different fields of Shagish or any people's psychosomatic field, that finest gravitational field, the spectrometer, what of the light abnormal coming in my this, that in the CCTV camera I have. In this week, I repeatedly got the chance to get this, the sparking light is coming earth penetrating that has been recorded in a CCTV camera and be put into YouTube, Facebook, different media, then interconnected with Twitter. So those peoples even then ignore this power. There's so many scientific paper has been published in Science, Nature's, different scientific medicine, neurology, brain, medicines, animals and humans, sciences. Those I could have today is 8th February, Monday. Now in your USA time it is becoming morning or midday, but Indian it is a midnight. There is a lot of changes in my